and kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. So today I will be showing you guys how I made these gorgeous Starburst mirrors using Dollar Tree items. If you all would like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch. Okay, queens and kings, so here are all the items that we're going to need to make the Dollar Tree mirror Starbursts. So we're going to use some command scripts just to hold them on the wall. You're going to need 3 of Dollar Tree little mirror frames. You're going to need your hot glue gun, as well as some adhesive glue that I got from the Dollar Tree. Hot glue sticks, which I am using the Gorilla Glue sticks, so there is a stronger hold. 1 of Dollar Tree round mirrors. And all I did here is just got a piece of cardboard where I just trace out the round mirror so it can be my backing. So let's get started. Okay, starting off with our frames, what we're going to do is take them out of the pack and we're going to try to bend them and shake them and pop them apart, because I've seen other YouTubers do that. If that doesn't work, we're just going to place them in hot water and soak it so you can peel and stick them on. Queens and kings, so now that we have soaked our mirrors and they're off, some of them will have some of the little cardboard still on the back end of them, but that is okay. It's no big deal, no issue or anything like that. So now we're going to arrange the mirrors around. So we're going to start off with the first one here. Basically try to make a circle going around the mirrors on the outside of it. We're not going to put any glue down yet, because if we make any mistakes, we can go back. So as you can see, I'm doing long, short, long, short, long. So at this point here, you see that I don't have as much space, so that means I know that I came in a little too far with my mirror. So all I gotta do is just push them back some so I can make room for that mirror could fit in there. Go back around and readjust your mirrors so they all can line up together, point to point. Okay, so now we're gonna use my Fix All adhesive from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using this glue because it doesn't secure as fast as any other glue or if I use hot glue. So we're just gonna lift and put a generous amount of glue down. So because if I mess up, I can always go back and, you know, maneuver it and straighten it up. Okay, so now that we have that done, we're just going to make sure that they are back into the area that we want them to be, that is still making that circle from the inside. Now I'm going to apply some glue on the back of the mirror, so therefore I can place my base. Here we go. And this way I can apply more pressure and basically press down on my mirror so they can lean up, you know, they don't have that little bend look. Once I've done that, I'm just going to place a book on top of it so you can apply more pressure and let that dry overnight. Okay, queens and kings, so I flipped my mirror over. It have not been 24 hours. I flipped it over just so I could apply some more pressure to the front of the mirror. And I seen that some of the glue is oozing out. So what I'm doing now is just taking a damp little towel that I put some vinegar on it just to clean that up, because if not, it will dry up and it will be very hard to get off. You probably will have to scrape it off. So I would advise you to do that and let it all dry, and you'll be able to put your command scripts and hang them on the wall. Okay, queens and kings, so here they are. I have placed them on the wall. I did 4 of them, as you guys can see. I'm just trying to recreate my mirror gallery wall that you guys see here. You guys know I did one before, but I'm actually going to be changing this one out. I'm going to take some of the mirrors off and put them other places or whatever, because I don't want as much as you guys see here. And I'm going to be rearranging this wall and putting something else here and put these somewhere else. And I love them, I really do, because you guys know we can purchase these at Burlington, Home Goods, or anywhere for the pack of 3 or 4, however they come, and we'll pay like $14 or $15 for them. And I only paid $16 for 4 myself, so hey, why not? Why not? So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share with your family, friends, and loved one, and subscribe to the castle, because we would love to have you, for you to be a part of the family. So with that being said, queens and kings, I hope you all enjoy your day. Be blessed. Always do what you're afraid to do, and you guys know that's in a positive way. Bye.